Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubel Solutions. Welcome students, welcome kids. Again the series of class 8 started. Thank you for all the requests you do for class 8. This is class 8 CBSE Touch Pad Plus version book, Chapter 1. Class 8, Chapter 1, Computer Networking. Let's get started. In this chapter, you will know what is computer networks, need for computer networks, advantages of computer network, components of a network, network terminologies, devices required for the network, types of networks, topology, network architecture, wireless networking technology and protocol. According to class 8, this is very nice topic and the vision and the content is very good. So you can learn from this video. Here I will narrate the full chapter and in between will explain in Hindi also. But the major funda will be giving you the chapter online in the video format. I am sure that the students who want to study will find it useful and beneficial. If you want, if you share this with your friends and family or whatever who want to learn about computer networking, you can do so. And do comment if you have any doubts or if you want to ask, and the question answer series will also come, but I am starting this class 8 chapter 1 from now onwards, and I'm sure I will reach the end of the class 8 and then question answer series. Okay, and you can comment me if you want anything. Let's get started. The process of connecting computers and peripheral devices with each other so that they can exchange data is called computer networking. Computer networking क्या होती है? किसी भी computers को या devices को जब हम connect करते हैं, कोई भी कुछ भी network क्या होता है? Network मतलब जैसे दो computers को connect करना है, दो devices को जैसे USB device हो गई या किसी भी डिवाइस को हम कनेक्ट करके नेटवर्क बना लें तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? नेटवर्किंग. वेरियस हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस, प्रोटोकॉल्स एंड सॉफ्टवेयर आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर नेटवर्किंग. देखो सीधी सी बात है, हार्डवेयर डिवाइस लगेगी अगर आपको नेटवर्किंग करनी है और कई प्रोटोकॉल्स आपको इंस्टॉल करने पड़ेंगे. कई प्रोटोकॉल्स होते हैं और सॉफ्टवेयर्स तो होते ही हैं. तो ये सब चीज़ें आपको चाहिए होती हैं कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग में. In this chapter, you are going to learn about networking and the concept to computer networking. इस chapter में आप networking और उसके concept के बारे में देखेंगे. Let's get started with the computer network. सबसे पहले computer network क्या होता है? A computer network is a group of interconnected computer systems and other computing devices. There are different kind of computer networks that work in different ways. स्टूडेंट्स, जो मैं ये इंग्लिश में बोल रही हूँ आपको इस तरह की इंग्लिश तो समझ आनी चाहिए क्योंकि इन चैप्टर्स में बहुत इजी इंग्लिश दी हुई है. तो आपको इंग्लिश एज अ लैंग्वेज आने चाहिए जस्ट सो दैट आप कंप्यूटर्स की स्टडी अगर आप फर्दर भी करना चाहते हो तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. तो प्रेफरेबली आई विल स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, बट बीच बीच में जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, मैं हिंदी का प्रयोग भी कर लूंगी. ठीक है? आई एम श्योर जो पढ़ने वाले बच्चे हैं उनको जरूर ये पसंद आएगा और जरूर समझ आएगा कि मैम क्या बोल रही है. नेटवर्क्स में बी वेरी स्मॉल एंड सिंपल और दे मे बी कॉम्प्लेक्स एज ग्लोबल नेटवर्क लाइक द इंटरनेट. जो नेटवर्क्स होते हैं वो छोटे भी हो सकते हैं और बड़े भी हो सकते हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्स भी हो सकते हैं, सिंपल भी हो सकते हैं. There may be wired or wireless connection between computers on the network. वायर वाले भी होते हैं कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स और वायरलेस भी होते हैं. The computers on the network can communicate with each other as well as work independently. जो कंप्यूटर्स होते हैं नेटवर्क पे वो कम्युनिकेट भी कर सकते हैं और इंडिपेंडेंटली भी वर्क कर सकते हैं. ईच कंप्यूटर इन द नेटवर्क इज कॉल्ड अ नोड. एक कंप्यूटर को नाम दिया जाता है. जब भी हम नेटवर्क में होता है कोई कंप्यूटर, उसको एक नाम दिया जाता है, उसका नाम होता है नोड. क्या नाम होता है? नोड. मेरे पीछे रिपीट करो. द कंप्यूटर्स इन द नेटवर्क मे बी लिंक्ड थ्रू अ केबल, हब, स्विच, एनआरसी, मॉडेम और राउटर. ठीक है, इन सब से कंप्यूटर लिंक हो सकता है. केबल से, किससे? केबल से, हब से, स्विच से, एनआईसी मतलब नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड, मॉडेम और राउटर. ठीक है. नाउ यू कैन सी द पिक्चर. देखो कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. ठीक है ना. देखो प्रिंटर से भी अटैच्ड है, इंटरनेट से अटैच्ड है और इतने सारे नोड कंप्यूटर्स अटैच्ड है. अब जरूरत क्या पड़ी? नीड फॉर कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. Computers and other devices connected on the networks help in resource sharing. It helps the users to share files and hardware devices such as printers, scanners, etc. Or the second use is communication. It helps us to communicate with others through email, video conference, instant messages, etc. Advantages of computer network. Advantages of computer networks are the information can be easily shared with others. It reduces the cost of hardware. Store information in one centralized location. Reliability implies backing up of information. If a system crashes, that the information is accessible on another workstation for future use. Reduction in installation cost. User authentication process to secure the data. People will have access to all the information they need to get and share through email and instant messaging, which saves time and money in passing information. क्या क्या एडवांटेजेस हैं? जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो इजीली शेयर हो जाती है और हार्डवेयर का कॉस्ट रिड्यूस हो जाता है और एक सेंट्रलाइज्ड लोकेशन पे स्टोर की जाती है इंफॉर्मेशन और रिलायबिलिटी इंक्रीज होती है और रिडक्शन कॉस्ट रिड्यूस होता है और ऑथेंटिकेशन प्रोसेस है और इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर सकते हैं हम ईमेल के थ्रू. नाउ द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ TouchPad Plus version 2.0 class 8th chapter 1. Components of a network. There are mainly 5 components of the network which are as follows. That is sender. A sender is a computer that wants to send information to other computer connected to the network. समझ आ गई होगी, बहुत आसान. sender मतलब जो भेजेगा. receiver. A receiver is a computer which is expecting the data from one other computer on the network. Receiver मतलब जो receive करेगा. Transmission media. Transmission media is a communication channel through which information is transferred from one computer to another computer on the network. Transmission media मतलब एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में किस तरह से डेटा जाएगा. Then come the message. क्या मैसेज जाएगा? A message is the information or the data which needs to transfer from one computer to another. Then the protocol. A protocol is a set of standard rules used for the communication. Protocol मतलब कि एक particular protocol है, जैसे कोई virtual network protocol है या कोई ऐसा प्रोटोकॉल है कि हाँ ये ही फॉलो करना है. तो बेटा ये जो 5 चीज़ें हैं ये आपको टर्मिनोलॉजीज वन लाइन में या फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स में भी आ जाती हैं. देन कम्स द नेटवर्क टर्मिनोलॉजीज. देयर आर सेवरल नेटवर्क रिलेटेड टू द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. लेट डिस्कस सम ऑफ देम. फर्स्ट इज सर्वर. आपने जब भी आप नेटवर्किंग के बारे में पढ़ोगे तो आपको ज़रूर पता होना चाहिए सर्वर क्या है, क्लाइंट क्या है, इंटरनेट क्या है और इंट्रानेट क्या है. तो सर्वर क्या होता है? अ सर्वर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द होस्ट कंप्यूटर. इट कंट्रोल्स द एक्सेस टू द हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर ऑन द नेटवर्क. इट प्रोवाइड्स अ सेंट्रलाइज्ड स्टोरेज एरिया फॉर द प्रोग्राम्स, डेटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन. The server which performs a specific task is called a dedicated server. बेटा ये जो सर्वर्स है ना अलग अलग तरह के जो हम अभी पढ़ने वाले हैं कि डेडिकेटेड सर्वर क्या होता है, प्रिंट सर्वर क्या होता है, डेटाबेस सर्वर क्या होता है, नेटवर्क सर्वर क्या होता है और वेब सर्वर क्या होता है. ये वन लाइन या फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स या सर्वर पे अगर कोई नोट आ जाए तो सब कुछ लिखना है. ठीक है. तो डेडिकेटेड सर्वर क्या होता है? द सर्वर विच परफॉर्म्स अ स्पेसिफिक टास्क इज कॉल्ड अ dedicated server. The server which manages the printers and documents being printed is called the print server. The server which stores and provides the access to the database is called a database server. The server which manages the network traffic is called the network server. The server which delivers the requested web pages to our computer is called a web server. ठीक है? The second is client. It is the computer which depends on the server for all the resources. For example, a server might store a network version of Excel program. Every client on the network can access the Excel program from the server. Then comes the internet. Internet is the global network of millions of computers and computer networks all over the world. It allows us to access and share information over the network. The internet contains billions of websites to provide information. Then comes the intranet. बेटा ये जरूर ध्यान से देखना कि इंटरनेट क्या होता है और इंट्रानेट क्या होता है. A computer network that is used for sharing information, devices and other computing services only within an organization is called intranet. समझ आ गई? मतलब जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बीच में जो नेटवर्किंग होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इंट्रानेट. देन URL. It stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is the address of the website like www.rublesolutions.com or www.google.com and various other URLs. ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. It is the company that provides internet access on payment of monthly fees such as Airtel, Idea, BSNL, MTNL, Jio, etc. IP address. An Internet Protocol IP address is the unique identification number assigned to the computer connected to a network. It has two main functions, host or network interface identification and location addressing. IP addresses are written and displayed in the human readable notation such as 172.0. Like Google का क्या है? 8.8.8.8. जब भी आपको इंटरनेट चेक करना है आप रन पे जाइए, पिंग करिए, पिंग 8.8.8.8 -t. तो अगर वहां पर सब आ रहा है, अगर रिक्वेस्ट टाइम आउट नहीं आ रही है तो इसका मतलब आपका इंटरनेट चल रहा है. अगर रिक्वेस्ट टाइम आउट आती है तो मतलब आपका इंटरनेट चेक करना होगा. देन कम्स द DNS, डोमेन नेम सिस्टम. DNS इज द नेमिंग सिस्टम for assigning a name to the computers, services or other resources connected to the network. This name is known as domain name. For example, domain name is www.yahoo.co.in. For example, we have also our own domain name that is www.rublesolutions.com. This domain name is internally converted into IP address. Then comes the web page. What is web page? A single digital page on the www World Wide Web that contains information and links of another pages is called a web page. Web pages are created by using hypertext markup language. HTML is the language for the web. HTML is the basic language for the web. I think you will study further in class 8th, 9th or 10th. Website. A website is a collection of web pages which are interlinked to each other. A website may contain thousands of web pages. Web portal. A website that is specially specifically designed to provide a single point of access for the information is called the web portal. Web portals are also known simply as portals. The major difference between a website and the web portal is that a portal works as a gateway to www and provides several services. On the other hand, a website may provide only limited services. Then comes the hypertext. The text that has a special feature of connecting one web page to another is called a hypertext. Link. A link can be defined as a web address that is used to make connectivity between web pages. Hyperlink. A hyperlink is simply a part of web page that is linked to the URL. A hyperlink can appear as the text, an image or navigational tool such as button or arrow. When you click on the hyperlink, you will jump to the URL specified by hyperlink. Hyperlink text usually looks different from the normal text in the web page. Students, you are the class 8 student, a big boy or a big girl, and you should know that much English that I am reading. I hope I am providing the good chapter, good reader, good narrator, and you are able to understand what's in this chapter. Then comes the bandwidth, the capability of transmission media to transmit the maximum amount of data from one computer to another over a computer network in a given amount of time is called the bandwidth. A bandwidth is generally in bits per second BPS or bytes per second BPS, kilobytes per kbps and megabytes per second mbps. There can be various types of bandwidth which are network bandwidth, data bandwidth or digital bandwidth. Now the devices required for a network. There are various types of devices such as network interface card, NIC, hub, switch, router, modem, network cable and gateway. Network interface card क्या होता है? NIC. It is an expansion card, you can see the image also, which provides the network access to a computer. It allows the computer to connect to a network through a wired or wireless medium. जब हमारे पास डेस्कटॉप होता है तो ये चीज़ रहती है और लैपटॉप में तो बाय डिफॉल्ट रहती है. Next is hub or switch. It is a hardware device that has a various boxes to which computers, printers and other networking devices are connected. The main function of hub is to direct information around the network and facilitate communication between all the connected devices. Next comes the router. It is a networking device used to connect and facilitate transfer of data in the form of packets between two networks. It finds best route for the data packets over the network. It is located at gateways where two networks connect. Next comes the modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. It is the hardware device that is used to connect a computer to the internet via a telephone line or the wireless medium. It converts data from the digital to analog, vice versa. The process of converting analog signals to digital signals is called modulation. ये बेटा आ सकता है, what is modulation? Then you have to write this. The process of converting digital signals to analog signal is demodulation. And this can come in the filling the blanks also, modulation, demodulation, and the router and the 2 marks questions can come. Networking cable. Networking cable, also known as Ethernet cable, is a transmission media that allows to transport information from one place to other place. There are various types of networking cables such as coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, and optical fiber cable. Next come what is gateway. A gateway is a network device that allows to data to flow between two different networks which may use different protocols. Sorry beta, ये पेज थोड़ा blur हो गया है, but I will read. Please listen to my voice. It collects data that is to be sent from one computer, converts it into small packets and send them to another computer. Then comes the topics types of networks. This is really important, and sometimes if the 10 marks question comes, then this is given by the teachers. Different types of networks can be classified on the basis of geographical area that they cover. There are 5 types of networks as follows. LAN, local area network. LAN is the short form of local area network that is popularly known as LAN. It is a digital communication system that interconnects a larger number of computers and other peripheral devices within a radius of less than 1 kilometer. This type of network is usually preferred for a smaller area such as a residence, school, laboratory, university, campus, and office building. By using the LAN network, user can exchange data and messages easy and fast way. Cables and communication devices are used to connect computers to the LAN. Next is MAN, MAN, metropolitan area. This ये देखो ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. क्या है ये? देखा आपने? MAN network consists of 2 or more local area networks or campus area networks together that usually span several buildings in the same city or town. Then comes the WAN, WAN, wide area network. It is the digital communication system that interconnects a large number of computers in the wide geographical area. These networks may operate on the worldwide or nationwide basis. In such type of network, there may not be physical connection between computers. In WAN, telephone lines, microwave, satellite links can be used as the transmission medium. Then comes the PAN, personal area network. These are privately owned network. PAN is used to establish the communication amongst the computers within the range of 20 to 30 feet. It can be wired or wireless. There is a tech fact session here. The concept of PAN first was introduced by Thomas Zimmerman at MIT's Media Lab. It was later supported by IBM's Research Lab. One more type of network is there, CAN, Campus Area Network. LAN, MAN, PAN, CAN, WAN. CAN, also known as Cluster Area Network, connects 2 or more LANs that are limited to specific geographical areas. For example, college, campus, office building. The campus area network is larger than LAN since it may span in the multiple buildings within the specified area. Tech fact: CAN may also stand for Cooperative Area Network or Controller Area Network. Then comes the topology. Topology refers to the geometric arrangement of computers or nodes in a network. Topology. Topology refers to geometric arrangement of computers or the nodes in a network. The factors that determine the types of topology are cost, flexibility, and reliability. There are 5 different types of topology. That is, first is bus topology. In this topology, all the nodes are connected to the single common path. It is simple and easy to maintain. Additional nodes can be connected at any point along its length. The major disadvantage of this topology is that fault detection in this topology is very difficult. Then comes the ring topology. In this topology, all the nodes are connected in the circular path. The message travels in clockwise or anti-clockwise. Any damage to the cable of any node or devices can result in the breakdown of the whole network. Then comes the star topology. In this topology, central node acts as the hub to which all the computer nodes are connected. As compared to the bus topology, star topology requires more devices and cables. The addition of a new node to the star topology is difficult as it includes a connection all the way to the central node. Then comes the tree topology. In this topology, nodes are connected as branches of trees where hub acts as a root node. It is very simple in the nature as it is easier to add new or remove nodes. Major disadvantage is that if the root node fails to operate, the entire network is inoperable. Then the mesh topology. In this topology, every single node in the network is connected to all the other nodes or computers in the network. There is minimal chances of breakdown in this topology. This topology is mostly used in the LAN. Now you can catch up with the following. What is the mesh topology, bus topology, ring topology and star topology. तो बस टोपोलॉजी आपने ऊपर पढ़ लिया है, तो आप ये वाला कॉलम ए और कॉलम बी अपने आप करो और मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में करके दिखाओ. आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी. Then comes the network architecture. Network architecture defines the overall design of the computer. There are two types of network architecture, peer-to-peer and client-server network. Peer-to-peer, it is a network of two or more computers that uses the same type of program to share the data. Each computer is considered to have an equal responsibility and acts like a server to the other computers in the network. It works well in the small environment. Client-server network. It is the network in which one computer is designated as a server and all the other computers connected on the network are called clients. The clients can request for the services from the server. This is called client-server network. Wireless networking technologies. In a wireless networking technology, no wires or physical media is used for connecting. Computer uses electromagnetic wave like infrared, microwave and radio waves for the transmission. The choice of technology depends on the distance and the speed of transmission. There are two types of wireless technologies, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. आपने सुना होगा ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा, और अभी तो लॉकडाउन करके बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ आया वाईफाई, ब्लूटूथ डिवाइसेस. आप सब अवेयर हैं. ये चैप्टर बेसिक है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग का एंड इट्स मार्वलस. Wi-Fi is the most popular wireless communication technologies used for the homes, private business LANs, and public hotspots. A Wi-Fi enabled devices such as a PC, video game console, mobile phones, or MP3 players can connect to the internet when it comes within the range of wireless networks. Wi-Fi allows to deploy local area networks without wires that reduces the cost of network expansion. Then comes the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a technology that enables wireless communication between a low power consumption devices within a short range, 1 meter, 10 meter, 100 meter. Protocol. Protocols are HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, TCP/IP. Protocols is a set of rules that governs the communication between the computers on the network. बहुत लंबा चैप्टर हो गया है तो मैं कंपाइल करती हूँ. ये जो हैं टाइप्स ऑफ जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं वो मैं वापस बता दूंगी आपको. ठीक है ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और इस चैप्टर में हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा वो भी अपन देख लेते हैं। द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क मीन्स अ सिस्टम ऑफ इंटरनेट। ये देखो आपने ये सब चीज़ें पढ़ी है, बस जो प्रोटोकॉल्स वाला है वो भी एक्चुअली 5 मिनट्स ही लगेंगे, इसी वीडियो में कंप्लीट कर दूं ताकि एक चैप्टर एक वीडियो में कंप्लीट। चलो ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, कोई बात नहीं, पढ़ लेना बेटा प्लीज़। चलो, प्रोटोकॉल्स इज सेट ऑफ रूल दैट गवर्न्स द कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन द कंप्यूटर्स। जो प्रोटोकॉल होते हैं वो हमारी कम्युनिकेशन में हेल्प करते हैं। तो कौन कौन से टाइप के प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं? फर्स्ट है HTTP, हाइपर टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, इसकी फुल फॉर्म आनी चाहिए। ठीक है, इट इज अ सेट ऑफ रूल्स दैट डिफाइंस हाउ द वेब पेजेस ट्रांसफर information like documents, and HTTPS secure, hypertext transfer protocol secure, it is a secure version, ये secure version होता है। The information is converted into the codes to prevent the unauthorized access. Then the FTP, file transfer protocol, ये सारी फुल फॉर्म्स बेटा आनी चाहिए, याद कर लो, फटाफट याद कर लो। इट इज अ सेट ऑफ रूल्स that allows file uploading and downloading from other computers over the network. Then comes the TCP/IP transmission control protocol. क्या होता है? HTTP क्या होता है? Hypertext HTTPS क्या होता है? FTP क्या होता है? TCP/IP क्या होता है? Then comes POP3 Post Office Protocol version. It is an internet standard protocol that allows email. IMAP Internet Message Access Protocol. It is an email protocol that stores emails on the mail server and allows the user to view, access and manipulate the messages on the mail server. SMTP Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is the email protocol for sending email messages across the internet. देखो फुल फॉर्म्स आ गई ना, फुल फॉर्म्स याद करनी ही है। ICANN is an organization that keeps track of IP addresses. Wow. Of the traffic on the internet, approximately 61 is used by bots and malware. बैकअप में हमने अभी इस चैप्टर में क्या क्या रीड किया वो सब चीज़ें हैं। द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क मीन्स द सिस्टम ऑफ इंटरनेट इन कंप्यूटर। अगर आपने पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ लिया है तो ये सारे आपको आते होंगे। द कंप्यूटर नीडेड फॉर द नेटवर्क आर नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड, हब और स्विच. Now, different type of networks are PAN, CAN, LAN, SAN, MAN, and WAN. Various type of topologies are bus, star, tree, ring, and mash. There are 2 types of computer architecture: peer-to-peer, client-server. ये सारे पढ़े हैं आपने ऊपर बेटा। In the wireless networking technology, no wires or physical media is used for connecting computers. और last but not the least, जो हमने बहुत fast किया है, protocol. Protocol is a set of rules that governs the computer communication between the computers over a network. बेटा ये था क्लास 8 का चैप्टर 1, लेकिन अगर आगे से कोई चैप्टर बड़ा होगा तो मैं उसको पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 में शेयर कर दूंगी। बट दिस चैप्टर इज फुल ऑन क्लास 8 चैप्टर 1 कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग। प्लीज जरूर पढ़ना स्टूडेंट्स, और पूरा चैप्टर अच्छे से, टाइम लेगा बट कोई बात नहीं, प्लीज स्टूडेंट जरूर पढ़ना और अपना फीडबैक देना। एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, प्लीज शेयर करना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ अगर आपको अच्छा लगा, समझ आ रहा है। एंड डू लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल दैट इज रूबल सॉल्यूशंस। और थैंक यू सो मच, आपने रिक्वेस्ट करी तो हमने ये वीडियो बनाई और हमारा चैनल बहुत ही अच्छा चल रहा है स्टूडेंट्स। बस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए और प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देखिए। क्लास 2 के लिए भी है, 3rd के लिए भी है, 4th के लिए, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th series is going to start today. Thank you. Love. Have a nice day.